All right, so now that you have got your Google Drawing open, what you are going to do is you're going to create your square. So you're going to start with shapes. You're going to go to square, which is the first one here. Then you are going to, that was a mistake. Then you are going to click, I don't know what's going on here. You are going to click and drag. Now, if you click and drag randomly, you're going to end up with any kind of rectangle you want. If you hold the shift button, it automatically jumps it to a square. So you want a decent sized square in the middle of your space. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag it until you get that red X, which means it is centered in your space. Actually, I think I want that to be a little bit bigger. If I resize it, it's now not centered, so I need to drag it into the center again. All right, so you make your square. Then you're going to go into that square and make the border, which is the second color here, transparent, so you don't have a black line around it. Now, the next shape we're going to make for our Notan snowman is we are going to come over here to flowchart delay. It is in the third section in the bottom piece. It is kind of a half circle. So we're going to create that half circle. We are then going to drag the edge and you're going to drag it over to here. And then you're going to drag it until you get that red line again, but you're going to look for the red line in the center and the red line at the edge. Now this is the bottom of my snowman, so I want it to be a little bit wider. And I don't want it to be too deep into my snowman, so I'm going to make him there. Let's make him even wider. So make it kind of so it's most of the way up and about a third of the way, or most of the way across and a third of the way up. Once again, I'm going to go in and make my edge transparent. Now what I'm going to do is either left click, which will give me my edit menu, or I can go to edit, copy, and then I can go to edit, paste. Now I have a second one. Now what I'm going to do to this one is format, and I'm going to open up my format options. Under format options, I am going to go over here and I am going to flip horizontal. I am then going to drag it all the way down here. Now we can't see, uh-oh. I don't think my other one pasted. Do I have two here? Nope. Okay, so I need to do that again. Let's just do edit paste again. There we go. Now I've got a second one here. So the second one up here, so I don't lose it again, needs to go white. So everything that's outside of the square becomes blue. Everything that's inside of the square becomes white. So I'm going to copy both of these, edit, copy, to make my life a little easier, edit, paste. And now I'm going to drag these up here. Now, one, it's a little too big, so I'm going to click and drag at the corners to make it a little smaller. And then I'm centering it and lining it up. Right there. Now, what is wrong here? What did I just say? What needs to be inside should be white. Outside should be blue. So I need to, and then I need to drag this one till it's lined up and drag that one till it's lined up. There we go. And now I have the body of my snowman.